Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Do Your Homework. Alright, so anyway, if you have not opened your budget error, please do open it. Okay, so yeah, this is because sometimes we have all kinds of formulas around and occasionally we'll face errors. Okay, things like the NA, hashtag NA and hashtag whatever lah. All these are basically errors. Like for example, if we click in S6, where is S6? S6, okay, S6, all right. And then if we change it, the S3 to R3, R3, okay, if we change it that way, all right, notice hashtag value wrong error. All right, it's not a like a tagging or whatever, but it's just telling you that the error is got to do with the value. Okay, so the value of the, I mean, of a thing inside lah. So you will face this quite occasionally. Okay, so when I click on this S6, okay, we to figure out what went wrong. All right, we can click here. Okay, when we click, they'll see there's a drop down arrow. They'll show you error in value. Okay, so you can select help on this error in the menu. Okay, and then they will come out the Excel help, all that blah blah blah. All right, so sometimes that one will help you figure out what went wrong. Okay, um but for now we are not going to bother much with it. Okay, so just so you know that there is a help, a way to figure out what went wrong and how to solve it through that. Okay, now moving on to the next one. Okay, we want to trace. Okay, sometimes we have the error already, but so we need to trace where the error is coming from. Okay, so when we select the S6 again, all right, and then we go to the formulas tab. Okay, formulas tab up here. All right, and then in the formula auditing group, so when we select formula auditing group, we can see trace precedence. Okay, trace means you want to trace back, see where it come from, and then precedent means where is it coming from. Okay, so where all this value is coming from. So notice R3 go to S6. Okay, previously we go and change, we go and hand ET, we go and change from S6 to R3 to S6, S3 to R3. Ayo. Okay, and then that one will cause that one was what caused the issue. Okay, so and then you notice also it points up to the other two. Okay, S4 and S5. Okay, but S4 and S5 we can see that there is all no issue lah, but these are all precedent, means we are referring to those area. Okay, so to remove those arrow, okay, we go to the formulas tab, back to the formula auditing group, and then we select remove arrows. Okay, so then it will disappear because we don't want it to be there all the time. All right, and then if we click on S4, okay, and then we select trace dependent. Now this one just now is coming from where, all the information coming from where, but this one is going to where. Okay, so who is taking the information from S4? All right, so in this case we can see that S6 is taking the information from there. Okay, so save this and then move on to the, oh wait, then we are done. Okay, you can save and upload this. Thank you everyone.